The Blazingstar bag features a fun front zippered pocket, and inside the front zippered pocket is a slip pocket on one side, and in the flap of the bag it has a mesh zippered pocket. The bag features an adjustable strap so that you can make the strap to the length of your choosing, and on the back of the bag there is a zippered pocket. The top closure is a recessed zipper, and on the inside of the bag there's a slip pocket on one side, and then on the other side of the lining there is a zippered pocket. Everything is sewn right sides together and turned through one of the zipper pockets at the end. The Blazingstar bag features full color step-by-step instructions with a photograph for just about every step, and the video online workshop is 2 hours long.